Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the ZigBee Wi-Fi MmWave Human Presence Motion Sensor with Luminance/distance detection from Tuya Smart Life Home Automation. This sensor is an absolute game changer when it comes to home automation and smart living. Let's dive into the features of this incredible sensor. First off, it's equipped with ZigBee and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for seamless integration into your smart home setup. Not only does it detect human presence, but it also has the ability to monitor luminance, enabling smart scene linkage with other smart devices in your home. Imagine your lights automatically turning on or off as the brightness changes. That's the level of control and convenience this sensor provides. With two installation options available, ceiling mount and wall mount, you have the flexibility to place the sensor wherever it's needed most. And the advanced design allows for customizable settings, such as sensitivity, detection range, hold time, and more, ensuring that the sensor works exactly how you need it to. One of the standout features of this sensor is its ability to connect to the Tuya ZigBee gateway, serving as the control center for all Tuya ZigBee smart devices. This means you can create a comprehensive smart home network that's stable, reliable, and incredibly efficient. Overall, the ZigBee Wi-Fi MmWave Human Presence Motion Sensor with Luminance/distance detection is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their home's intelligence and convenience. So why wait? Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing sensor and take the first step toward a smarter, more connected home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who's looking to upgrade their home automation setup. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech reviews and recommendations.